Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Caruso, I'm Italian, and these are my family home recipes from my family home made by me. Today I'm going to make the insalata di riso or rice salad. Insalata di riso is a must of Italian summertime. It's fresh, light, very easy and quick to do, so perfect for hot weather. It's also absolutely freestyle. You put whatever you like in it. They also sell ready condiments in jars to mix with the rice, but I prefer fresh ones. For 4 people you need about 200 grams of boiled rice. You want it cold, so you have to do it in advance, and you want it in a big bowl because with all the condiments its volume will increase. For me, the main ingredients that you cannot avoid to put in a rice salad is pickled vegetables, about 30 grams. And then this is double doses, I used only half of it. The dose you need is about 120 grams of drained tuna, some sweet corn, about 30 grams, about 10 olives. Like usually I don't put olives, but I have very good ones this time, so I put them in. Some cheese, I'm using cheddar, about 100 grams, 2 hard-boiled eggs, half red pepper, 1 carrot, a piece of cucumber, and 2 frankfurters. You can use ham instead of frankfurter, you can use whatever you like, it's really freestyle depending on your taste. You can put mushrooms in it. Then for seasoning use extra virgin olive oil and or mayonnaise. And then you start chopping. I cut everything quite small because I like to have a lot of different flavors together, and I do the pickled very small because for me it's more like a condiment, a seasoning, so I don't want to have big chunks of them, but of course it depends on your taste. As you can see, the bowl is almost full and I still have to put the sweet corn in and the tuna. As I said, the tuna is too much, so I use only half of it. I open 2 tins, but 1 is enough. And then of course you need to start to mix and mix and mix. Now we put some seasoning. In my family home, usually they put only olive oil and then if you like you add some mayo. but because I like to put mayo in it, there is no point for me to put olive oil as well. I just skip it and use mayonnaise only, about 5 spoons. But of course it depends on your taste. You can put more or you can put less. I don't add any salt because the condiments have a lot of flavor, and I put some salt in the rice when I boiled it anyway. And then you mix very well, because you want, when you take a spoon of rice salad, you want to have a lot of different condiments at once. And it's ready. I suggest you to make a big portion because it can stay in the fridge a few days, and it's so good chilled, just eaten straight from the fridge. It's the only thing I could eat anytime, day or night. Please let me know in a comment if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to see more. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Ciao!